Now, in order for me to get p by itself, I would want to remove the denominator. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the denominator itself. Put it over 1. So that allows me, so we have two fractions, basically this fraction over here and this fraction here. What it allows me to do is to cancel out, let's say we have this bracket. So this cancels this. What I do to this side, I must do to also do to this side as well. So we have d squared minus d. All right. And so now we have, I'm going to just write the p first. So p, open bracket, d squared plus capital D squared equals, let's write what we have over here, d squared minus d in bracket f. Okay, so now what we need to do, now again, it doesn't matter if I put the f at the end or at the beginning. It means the same thing, really. Okay, but by practice, let's just put the f in front. Although it doesn't really matter. We multiply the quantity f by the quantity d squared minus d. Okay, so now we need to make p the subject, right? We need to make this p the subject. So we need to recognize that p here is multiplied by the binomial, which is d squared plus capital D squared. Since we're multiplying in the numerator, we can divide and cancel out this with this. And we're going to do the same thing to this as well. Divide over the left-hand side by the same d squared minus d squared plus d squared. So we have p now by itself, since this goes itself once, equals f on top, d squared minus d, all over d squared plus d squared. Okay, and again, a common d, capital D. This is our solution to finding p. Now remember, I only start here because I already worked this portion already. So if you're in an exam and you work out this part and you work out the second part, you don't need to start from the scratch. If you found a part while working out this, where you can actually find this easier to actually manipulate. So from this stage, it was easy to find p than going